My old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you're having a very wonderful time. But today we're going to have a very fun time, because today I'm going to take my baffle out with my new exhaust. It's a universal carbon exhaust. Got it from eBay for $50, $60 actually. Didn't take that long to ship and all that, but I got that new exhaust on, I welded it on, took it off, took my old one out, and took it to my bike shop, and it only cost $80 to cut it off and put it on and all set and all that. But today I'm going to show you guys what the comparison is when you have no baffle and when you have baffle in, just with all the sound and how loud it is and all that. But right here, that's the universal carbon exhaust, and I'll show you what sound it actually makes when I turn it on for you guys. So remember, this motorbike is a CFMOTO, so if you put it on like a sports bike, it's going to sound different and all that, but just comparing it with how loud it is and all that stuff. But turn it on. So right now, that's how loud it is, but yeah, it's a little bit but louder than my old stock exhaust. So when you get like a new exhaust, it's probably going to be louder and better than your stock exhaust, because stock exhausts are really not that loud. But rev it for you guys. So that's how loud it is when you rev it. But remember, when you're changing your exhaust, just make sure it's not that loud, because if it's too loud, cops are going to pull you over, you're going to get a fine, maybe lose your bike and all that. But I went past a lot of cops and I had no problems at all. I even went through a breath test and they breath tested me, and I had this new exhaust I have, and they didn't even book me, so that's pretty good. But when you take the baffle out, it's going to be probably louder, but if it's too loud, I'm just telling you guys, just watch out for the police, because you do not want to lose your bike because of that. But now, turn it off. And now, just remember, this is going to be really, really hot. But with exhaust, to take the baffle out from here, it's usually going to be an Allen key to actually to take it out. So there's a screw right there, and you usually put the Allen key underneath, and then to take your baffle out. But remember, it's going to be really hot, so I'm just going to actually use a glove, but unscrew it first and then use the glove to pull it out. Okay, so you turn it left if you know that. Everyone should know that, but if you don't, you turn it left to unscrew it. Okay, not that hard to unscrew. My exhaust is pretty dirty, gosh. I only had it for like a month and it's dirty. Okay, so there it is, it's in there. I can't take it out. So I unscrewed it. Now I'm actually going to take it out, if it's possible. It should be possible. It's going to actually take a bit of strength. Take a punch, bruh. Gosh. Takes a lot of strength to take out. Oh my god. Okay. That takes a lot of strength to take out the baffle, guys. Gosh. So I'm going to try another glove, or how about just no glove? Just make sure it doesn't burn me. because I don't want it to burn me, and it's really hot. Okay, I got it. Gosh. Yeah, one more. Come on. We got it, guys. Come on. Okay, gosh. This is actually taking a lot of tries. Okay. Okay, it's coming out, guys. I don't know if there's a tool you can use. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, that took so long to take out. And that's what a baffle looks like. This little metal thing, this metal piece. It's really hot, but not that hot. And the way I did it, I just used my fingers. It wasn't that hot, but it did in the middle when you put your fingers in it. But just remember, your hands will get dirty, because I did not know my hands were going to get dirty because of that. But now I'm going to show you what the sound's going to look like and hear. So turn it on again. Okay, this is going to be loud probably. Get ready. Okay. Sounds like that. River for you guys. Wow, that's pretty loud, gosh. Louder than before. But just remember, if it's loud like that, I'm not sure of the cops, if they're going to pull me over because of that, but to show you again, this is how loud it is. And my screw just came out. Here it is. There's my screw, and there's the baffle. But that's actually the comparison between having a baffle in and a baffle out with the sound. But one more time. Yeah, there you go. So turn that off. But another thing I've got to tell you guys, the guy who changed my exhaust, he was talking about my baffle, and he said if you take your baffle out, it could change your speed. So he said if you want more sound, you got to lose more speed then. So you got to make a choice of, do you want more speed or do you want a louder bike? So yeah, just to tell you guys that too. But this is the CFMOTO, and that's what it sounds like for this bike. But for Super Sports, it sounds different because there's a Super Sports. Super Sports sounds much cooler. But that's how loud my exhaust is now. And yeah, that's pretty cool. But I hope you like the video, guys, and if you want me to do something else, like more riding around or more road rages or more family friendly content instead of swearing and all that, because I do go out of hand when I get in road rages, and when someone almost hits me I swear a lot. But if you want me to change something, or if you want me to bring something in, unboxing videos of stuff what's related to bikes, tell me and I'll check it out, guys. And I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.